Recent studies reveal a startling truth. Nearly 70% of businesses report that their automation initiatives fall short of expectations. This is a significant concern, as companies invest heavily in automation technologies with the hope of achieving greater efficiency and productivity. Yet, the reality is that many of these initiatives do not deliver the anticipated results, leading to frustration and wasted resources. This statistic underscores a critical challenge facing organizations today: the urgent need to optimize automation systems for peak performance. Without proper optimization, the potential benefits of automation remain out of reach, and businesses may struggle to stay competitive in an increasingly fast-paced market. In today's hyper-competitive business landscape, automation is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Companies that fail to embrace automation risk falling behind their competitors who are leveraging these technologies to streamline operations and drive innovation. It fuels efficiency, drives productivity, and unlocks unprecedented levels of speed and agility. Automation allows businesses to operate more smoothly, reduce errors, and respond more quickly to market changes. However, realizing the full potential of automation requires a proactive and strategic approach. It is not enough to simply implement automated systems. Businesses must continuously monitor, evaluate, and refine these systems to ensure they are delivering the desired outcomes. This essay serves as a guide to understanding the importance of restoring and maintaining your automation systems. By taking a systematic approach to automation, businesses can identify areas for improvement and implement solutions that enhance performance. We will delve into the common pitfalls, explore effective solutions, and empower you to unlock the true power of automation within your organization. From addressing technical challenges to fostering a culture of continuous improvement, this essay provides the insights you need to succeed. By embracing the principles outlined in this essay, you can transform your automation systems from points of frustration into engines of growth and innovation. With the right strategies and a commitment to excellence, your business can harness the full potential of automation to achieve remarkable success. Automation, when implemented effectively, can revolutionize business operations. It streamlines processes, reduces errors, and frees up valuable human capital for more strategic tasks. However, automation systems, like any complex technology, are prone to degradation over time. Without proper maintenance and optimization, these systems can become liabilities rather than assets. Ignoring the warning signs of automation decline can lead to a cascade of negative consequences. Reduced efficiency, increased downtime, and costly errors are just the tip of the iceberg. In today's data-driven world, compromised data integrity and security breaches can cripple an organization's reputation and erode customer trust. Identifying the symptoms of automation system failure is the first step towards remediation. Recognizing these early signs can help prevent minor issues from snowballing into major disruptions. These symptoms can manifest in various ways, often subtly at first, but gradually escalating into major operational roadblocks. Initially, you might notice minor delays or occasional glitches that seem insignificant. One of the most common indicators is a noticeable decrease in system speed and performance. This slowdown can affect everything from data processing to user interface responsiveness. Tasks that once were completed swiftly now take significantly longer, leading to processing backlogs and missed deadlines. This inefficiency can cascade through the organization, affecting productivity and morale. Another red flag is an increase in the frequency of errors or inconsistencies in automated processes. These errors can range from minor data entry mistakes to significant system failures that disrupt operations. This can signal a breakdown in the system's logic or data integrity, potentially leading to costly mistakes and rework. Addressing these issues promptly is crucial to maintaining the efficiency and reliability of your automation systems. The impact of automation failures extends far beyond the immediate technical issues. The true cost reverberates throughout the organization, affecting multiple departments and ultimately impacting the bottom line. Decreased productivity is often the first and most noticeable consequence. When automated processes slow down or grind to a halt, employees are forced to compensate manually, diverting time and resources away from more value-added activities. This leads to increased labor costs, missed opportunities, and a decline in overall operational efficiency. Section 5. Breathing life back into your systems. A roadmap to restoration. Restoring your automation systems to their optimal performance requires a systematic and multifaceted approach. The first step is to conduct a thorough assessment of your existing systems. This involves identifying the specific areas where performance is lagging, pinpointing the root causes of these issues, and prioritizing areas for improvement. Once you have a clear understanding of the challenges, you can begin to explore potential solutions. This may involve upgrading outdated software, optimizing system configurations, or even re-engineering certain processes for better automation compatibility. Section 6. Expert Insights: Best Practices for Automation Success. Drawing upon the expertise of industry leaders and automation specialists, we can glean valuable insights into best practices for restoring and maintaining these critical systems. One key recommendation is to establish a dedicated team responsible for overseeing all aspects of automation within your organization. This team should possess a diverse skill set, encompassing technical expertise, process knowledge, and change management capabilities. Another crucial aspect is to foster a culture of continuous improvement. This involves regularly monitoring system performance, proactively identifying potential bottlenecks, and implementing timely optimizations. Section 7. A Case for Proactive Maintenance: From Struggling to Thriving. To illustrate the transformative power of proactive automation restoration, let's examine a compelling case study. This case study highlights the journey of a leading manufacturing company that was once on the brink of collapse due to its outdated systems. The company was grappling with an outdated and inefficient automation system that had been in place for decades. The machinery was old, the software was obsolete, and the entire production process was riddled with inefficiencies. Their production line was plagued by frequent breakdowns, slow processing times, and a high rate of errors. Every day, workers faced new challenges as they tried to keep the production line running. This resulted in significant financial losses and a decline in customer satisfaction. The company was losing clients, and their reputation was taking a hit. The financial strain was becoming unbearable. Recognizing the urgency of the situation, the company embarked on a comprehensive automation restoration project. They knew that without drastic changes, their future was bleak. They invested in upgrading their systems, bringing in state-of-the-art machinery and the latest automation technologies. This was a significant financial commitment, but they believed it was necessary for their survival. They also implemented a robust maintenance schedule, ensuring that all equipment was regularly serviced and kept in optimal condition. This proactive approach helped prevent future breakdowns and maintained efficiency. Additionally, they provided their employees with comprehensive training on the new technologies. This ensured that everyone was on the same page and could operate the new systems effectively. The transformation was remarkable. Section 8. The Path Forward: Sustaining Automation Excellence. Restoring your automation systems is not a one-time endeavor, but rather an ongoing commitment to excellence. To sustain the gains you achieve and ensure long-term success, it's essential to embed proactive maintenance and continuous improvement into your operational DNA. Regularly review your automation processes, gather feedback from users, and stay abreast of emerging technologies and best practices. By embracing a culture of automation excellence, you can transform your systems into enduring assets that drive your business forward. Section 9. Your Automation Journey: A Call to Reflection and Action. As we conclude this exploration of automation restoration, it's imperative to reflect on your own experiences and chart a course for the future. Take stock of the automation systems within your organization. Are they performing at their peak, or are there signs of strain and inefficiency? The insights and strategies shared in this essay provide a roadmap for optimizing your automation initiatives. Embrace the challenge, take action, and unlock the full potential of automation to drive your business towards a future of efficiency, innovation, and sustained growth.